Okay guys, the next step that we're going to learn is called Enchufle. This is the symbol for Enchufle. What we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate it first, and then we're going to break it down by the numbers. Watch me first. Ready? And forward 2, 3, back 2, 3, forward 2, 3, Enchufle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Picalante 2, 3, and dile que no. Back 2, 3, forward 2, and stop. Next, what we're going to do is demonstrate it by the numbers. First thing that we're going to do is guys are going to go back with their left, enchufle back with their left, and then face the center of the circle. Next, girls are going to go back with their right and do a 180-degree turn facing the left side of the guy. Watch us first. Here we go. And 1, 2, and 3. Next that we're going to do is girls are going to fan out and enchufle with their left foot. Guys, we're going to go back with our right foot. Ready? And back, 2, and together. Picalante and dile que no. And picalante, 2, 3. Finish with dile que no. Que no. If we were in a rueda, what we would do is, guys, we'd go on to the next girl. If we're dancing one-on-one just like we did just a moment ago, we do the same enchufle, but we stay with the same girl. Picalante and dile que no. 1, 2, and 3.